If you ever felt like your faceless YouTube channel is missing something, or you're struggling to connect with your viewers, you're in the right spot. Here's the deal. A lot of channels without faces are missing out on the hottest faceless trend right now. The talking animated avatars. You might be wondering, why even bother? Well, let me tell you. Channels with animated avatars are getting tons of views and subscribers because they connect more with viewers than just animated graphics and images. Here are some proofs. The 10x Income channel went from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in just 3 months using this trick. Digital Income Project hit over 100,000 subscribers in its first year on YouTube. But here's the problem. Trying to make a talking animation like me can be tricky or expensive with monthly services like DID. But in this video, I've got a super quick and totally free solution for you. Stick around, and soon you'll be animating like a pro with just free tools. Now, let's get down to it. I'll show you step by step how to make your own talking animated avatar using free AI tools, no fancy stuff, just easy steps. Step 1. Let's kick off by crafting your character. To start things off, let's head on a quest to bring a unique character to life for your video. No need to break the bank with expensive tools. Instead, we'll be using the free CapCut version. Simply locate the text-to-image function, follow the prompt I've included in the description. The prompt basically is describing what the character should be wearing, what the room looks like, everything that the AI needs to give me exactly what I'm looking for here. Next, we need to come over here and set the aspect ratio and hit generate. Give it a few minutes, and there you have it. To ensure crystal clear visuals, tidy up any image quality concerns using CapCut's built-in image upscaler. Just search for the upscaler feature. Drop in your selected image, choose 4K, and hit upscale. Now, if you're aiming for a character that truly stands out, let me introduce you to the magic of Leonardo AI. Keeping it simple, copy the provided prompt, head over to Leonardo AI, create a new image, and paste the prompt in the designated box. Opt for the Adobe's XL model. Select the number of images and dimensions 16 by 9 for YouTube, and hit that generate button. Keep in mind, this might deduct a few credits from your daily allowance of 150. Give it a few minutes, and like magic, Leonardo AI will conjure up the number of images you requested. 4 unique options in this case. If you're feeling adventurous and want more variations, hit the regenerate button. Feel free to tweak the prompt to add that personal touch. You can do this as many times as you like. For instance, spice things up by incorporating elements like wearing a sleek black face mask or donning a vibrant red hoodie. Next, sift through the images and choose the one that resonates best with your vision. Once satisfied, upscale it, download the masterpiece, and save it on your device. Get ready to elevate your video with a character that's uniquely yours. Step 2. Elevate your visuals with a custom background. Now that you've got your character, it's time to set the stage and enhance your video's appeal. Whether you choose to use the image generated by Leonardo AI or opt for a completely different background, the possibilities are endless. Additionally, you can access a curated set of graphics from the link provided below this video. A big shout out to Digital Income Project for generously sharing these visuals. To truly make your studio stand out, let's delve into the realm of graphic design. Utilize the graphic images at your disposal to craft a personalized studio. Let's kick things off with the background image. Instead of settling for the ordinary, let's leverage a tool like Krea AI Real-Time Editor to add a unique twist to your studio design. After all, you wouldn't want your image to blend in with every other channel, right? Here's the drill. Log into Krea, navigate to the Generate tab, import your image, and utilize the AI Strength tool. This nifty feature allows you to scale the original image into various studio forms, giving your backdrop a distinct and engaging feel. Feel free to experiment until you find the perfect blend that resonates with your style. Once satisfied, download your customized background, and voila, you've just elevated your studio design to new heights. Step 3. Bringing your creation to life. Now, let's add that extra flair to your character and background. Go back to CapCut, and let's get started. For this demonstration, I'll be using one of the captivating background images from the set. Begin by dragging and dropping your chosen background image into the timeline. Next, import your character. Select the character image, navigate to the Cutout tab, and hit Auto Cutout. Resize and position your character image as needed. Now, let's enhance the scene further. From the set of graphics, grab the table and place it above the character image, creating a dynamic foreground. Feel free to add a computer screen, adjusting its size and placing it on the table. Consider adding a microphone or lamp using the same straightforward steps. The final touch is adding a moving mouth to create the illusion that your character is talking. Drag and drop it into the timeline, head to the cutout feature, and this time opt for chroma key. Use the color picker to select the green color, then utilize the strength scaler to seamlessly remove the selected color. Adjust the image size to align with the character's mouth. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to join a community of AI creators. With all the elements in place, it's time to unite all the clips into a single image timeline. Simply select all the clips, right-click on the chosen clips, and create a compound clip. Now, the finishing touch is adding the audio file. Sit back, and let's see the magic unfold as we take a glimpse into the completed project. Your character is ready to captivate the audience with a vibrant and engaging visual narrative. Let me know what you think about this free method. What about the tools used? Do you know of better tools that do the job for free? Do you have any pro tips to share? Let me know in the comments area below this video.